MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Allentown, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. Do air conditioners provide ventilation? An air conditioner does not create ventilation on its own. A ventilation system, on the other hand, may function in tandem with an air conditioner to provide ventilation for a room. What is the difference between AC and HVAC? HVAC is often used instead of AC in the air conditioning sector. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning are all referred to as HVAC, whereas air conditioning is simply referred to as AC. When it comes to cooling systems for your house, the term air conditioning is often employed. What is your service area for the Allentown, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Allentown, Breinigsville, Fullerton, Coopersburg, Quakertown, Northampton, Macungie, Schnecksville, Westwood Heights, Emmaus, Cherryville, Trexlertown, Zionsviller, East Greenville, Germansville. Where is your Allentown, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton Street, number 203, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Hamilton-ST-Allentown-HVAC-service.